YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is one pair of boot. This is for the woman. This is the one from SOFFT SoftShoes.com that I unboxed a couple of the shoes for my wife last time. It is pretty high premium quality. So that's why she continued to purchase stuff on them. So let's go ahead and get my knife ready. Last time I was having a hard time with this knife because the screw got loosened. So I had to use like a flathead screwdriver to tie this up. And there's another screw right here, the Phillips screw. So I use a Phillips screwdriver to tie that up. So now it's working as spanking as a new. Okay. So let's go ahead and then cut this open. As you can see, it says one pair boot, new size. Not sure what they mean by new size. So hopefully there's no invoice in here. Let's see. Oh, there's the invoice in there. So this is the size right here. This is style number is 1433601, 8.5, and this is the woman's size, Wheaton black, boot 30. Retail, I'm not sure is that retail price or is that on sale price for $169.99. And then she got a $51 coupon or discount code or something. So I guess that, yeah, boot 30, that means 30% off. So it become $118.99. And then that's it. There's no shipping fee or tax. Let's get this open. God. Wow. What the heck is that? Oh, what is this? Oh, they give like a return label. In case it doesn't fit, you can ship it back to them. So I'll give you the 360 at the box real quick. SOFFT, so they have extra one of the F instead of soft. How you spell regularly. Since 1927, refining comfort. So the box is kind of smashed up, even though it's a double box. And then there's like a warning label. This product is something chemical. I'm not sure whether they just grabbed this sticker because they try to stick it on the cover because it's ripped to tape it back. And that is the style number, the name, and then the colorway. And that's the barcode. So I'm not sure the medium, probably for medium fit. And it's weird, there's another label on the side. And it is made in China. So I'm not sure why my wife, she complaining about stuff that is made in China and then she buy the China stuff. Okay. Even her iPhone is made in China, so I'm not sure what is the ordeal. Let's see. Let's go ahead and then get this unboxing. And then there's a size conversion or size chart right there. You got the US, EU, and then the UK size on there. Okay. You got nice tissue paper with the looks like a feather design. Another white tissue paper. Oh my god, that is so tall. Yeah. I think she's competing with us. We bought so many shoes, and then she's buying her boots, her Converse. But this is a pretty nice premium leather, and the bag is different. It has like a leather tie string style, which is very stylish and sexy looking. So in the midsection, the middle, you got this long cardboard. Let's wrap around. And you got this nice tan. Is it leather or man-made material? So let's see. It says leather upper something sock. Balance man-made material made in China. So it's a leather probably right here, and this is probably man-made material. So as you can see, I'm not sure whose fingerprint or the dye there, the black dye from making this boot. So you got that nice padded gel insole right there. It's pretty soft. And this is the shoes tree. So like what I did cover last time, I did unbox. It is pretty padded. So it is very comfortable on the insole. And you got this, I'm not sure it's polyurethane or like a kind of like a plastic or rubberized outsole. And it says patent pending, so it is copyrighted. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna zip it up. I don't want to wrinkle it. Put this one back. And here's the other shoes, okay? I mean the other boot. You got this hand tag, customize your fit. It says in 3 easy steps: wear your boot, adjust, excess lace. It says you may want to trim them to keep the lace from fraying. Tie a knot at each end and cut below it. And see, wear your boot. Are you going to wear them over your favorite jeans? Put your jeans on and tuck them in. Adjust to get a custom fit. Adjust the calf laces. There, you're done. Okay. So yeah, basically it's the same thing on this side. Huge tree again. Alright guys, hopefully you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel. Please be sure to hit that bell for notification. So whenever I drop new and latest video, you can check them out right away. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching. And I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace out.